Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another lock extension install. My client here has actually had locks in the past. She had it with her natural hair. She tried the natural hair thing for a while and decided she was gonna go back to locks, but didn't want to start with that baby lock phase. So right here I am instant locking her hair. I'm parting it off. And I'm using my tool to instant lock her hair first. Notice I'm leaving it about an inch or two at the base of her hair, and that's where the retwist will happen. So I'm just doing this all over her head. So here I have finished instant locking her hair and parting it off. We ended up with 75 locks we are going to install in her hair. So this is what it looks like. Again, I left about an inch or two the base. So here I am attaching the lock. And these locks I actually pre-made myself. So I match it up where the loose hair ends. I leave about an inch or so new growth at the end to attach the lock. And I'm using my locking tool. I'm using the 3 because I move quicker that way. And I'm just matching it up, making sure that I'm attaching at the base of my lock. And I am locking it. I'm pulling the hair in and out, in and out. As I'm pulling it, I am rotating the lock. Again, we're just crocheting the hair, which just means that you're blending the hair in. You're tangling it with this locking tool. I start at the base, and then I work my way up, making sure it is secure all up and down the lock. So you just basically repeat this process all over her head. I'm going to do this 74 more times. So this is the finished product. Again, we installed 75 locks. They are, I guess you could say, medium size. The length was, I actually added on about 7 to 8 inches of hair on. And this is what it looks like after a fresh retwist. And that is her before with her natural hair. And this is her after. She was very satisfied with the results. Very satisfied. If you like this video, please follow me. I'm on YouTube, Sparkling Appearances, Facebook, Sparkling Appearances. You can go to my website, www.sparklingappearances.com, or on Instagram at sparkling_appearances. Thanks for watching. Bye.